In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a GoToMeeting invite. Whether you're organizing a virtual team meeting, a client presentation, or simply a catch-up session with your friends, sending out your meeting invites efficiently is key. Let's dive in and explore how to do this using GoToMeeting and Gmail. First things first, you'll want to start from your GoToMeeting dashboard. This is your central hub for all your meetings, both past and upcoming. Make sure you're logged in and have access to the dashboard so you can easily navigate to your meeting details. Once you're on the dashboard, find the specific meeting for which you want to send invites. This could be a meeting you've scheduled recently, or perhaps one you've had on your calendar for a while. The meeting list is usually organized chronologically, so scroll through until you spot the one you're interested in. Now click on the meeting to open up its details. This section contains everything necessary for your participants to join the meeting, including the date, time, duration, and crucially, the join link. The join link is like the ticket that grants entry to your online meeting room, so we need to ensure we provide this to everyone who should attend. Here, you'll want to find the invitation details. GoToMeeting makes this straightforward by providing a summary you can easily view and copy. You'll typically see a button or an option labeled something like Copy Invitation or Copy Meeting Details. Go ahead and copy that to your clipboard. With the meeting details securely copied, head over to your email provider. For today's example, we'll be using Gmail. Open Gmail and sign in if you haven't already. Once you're on the Gmail homepage, click on Compose to start drafting a new email. Now select the recipients for your email. You can either type them in manually or use Gmail suggestions as you begin typing their names or email addresses. Be sure to add everyone who needs to be in the meeting as either a direct recipient or in the CC field. Next, let's fill in the subject line. Keep it clear and to the point, such as Upcoming Meeting Invitation, or something similar that will grab attention and convey the purpose of your email at a glance. With the subject line in place, click into the body of the email. This is where you'll paste the meeting details you copied from GoToMeeting. Feel free to add a personal note above these details to set the tone of the meeting or acknowledge your recipients, such as "Looking forward to our discussion" or "Please find the details below." After you've pasted the meeting invitation and added any additional information you'd like, it's time to double-check everything. Make sure all details are accurate and that the join link is intact and clickable. Once you're satisfied that everything looks good, go ahead and press Send. And there you have it, a straightforward way to send out a GoToMeeting invite using Gmail. Following these steps will ensure your meeting invites are both clear and professional, making it easy for attendees to join. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.